Two things to remember before you install your granite mail post is, one, you will need two people to move the post as it's very heavy, and two, always contact your utilities locating company before you put a shovel in the ground. One helpful tip when digging a hole is to use a mat. It keeps the area clean and aids in the backfilling of your hole. The postal code is 40 to 46 inches from the street to the bottom of your mailbox. One helpful hint is to use a template. On that template, you can have the location of the bottom of your mailbox. So instead of putting the post in the ground and taking it back out, you can do that with the template, get your hole set, and then put the post in the ground. Your granite mail post is heavy, so one helpful tip is to use a cart, a wheelbarrow, a pickup truck if you have it, so that you can actually wheel your post into the location before you set it into the ground. Always make sure to check your post for plumb or level as you backfill and tamp the earth in around your post. Your post will most likely come with the anchors already set inside to accept the bolts for your arm bracket. If not, you simply place the anchors into the hole and then bang them in securely with a screwdriver. The post cap provided with your mail post will be affixed to the top of the post with two adhesive strips. When you tighten your bolts, make sure that they are snug and do not over tighten. You may damage the bracket or the anchor inside the post.